Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Unlock the full potential of your PS4 controller on PC for an enhanced gaming experience. DS4 Windows is a fantastic free utility that tricks your computer into seeing your DualShock 4 as an Xbox controller. This seamless integration ensures your games recognize it instantly, from indie titles to AAA blockbusters. Our 2025 guide simplifies every step, so you'll be playing your favorite games with your preferred controller in no time at all. It's surprisingly easy to set up. Before we dive in, let's gather your essentials for a smooth setup. You'll need your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller, of course, along with a USB to micro USB cable, or a reliable Bluetooth adapter for wireless play. Your computer should be running Windows 10 or a newer version to ensure full compatibility. Also, make sure you have administrator privileges on your PC, as this is necessary for driver installation later on. Now let's get DS4 Windows onto your system. Head to the official DS4 Windows GitHub page. This is always the safest place for your download. Look for the latest stable release, usually a compressed zip file, and download it to your computer. Once downloaded, extract all the contents into a new, dedicated folder. Finally, launch DS4 Windows exe from that folder, and simply follow the intuitive on-screen instructions to install any necessary drivers. With DS4 Windows installed, connecting your controller is straightforward. For a wired connection, simply plug your DualShock 4 directly into any available USB port on your PC using your cable. If you prefer wireless freedom, enable Bluetooth on your PC, then put your controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PS button and the share button until the light bar rapidly flashes. Now, add it through your Windows Bluetooth settings. Then open DS4 Windows and finalize your controller profiles. Now for the fun part, testing your setup. Open up your favorite PC game or head to the Game Controllers section in Windows Settings to confirm all buttons and joysticks are responding correctly. If you encounter any issues, try troubleshooting steps like checking your USB cable, repairing your Bluetooth, or reinstalling the DS4 Windows drivers. With everything configured, you are fully equipped to enjoy your PC games with the familiar comfort and precision of your PlayStation 4 controller. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.